Hello and welcome to video 3 in our farm series. In this video, I have 2 more farm-themed activities that you can do with your preschooler. If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to the channel, you can do that now. Hey guys, welcome back to video 3 in our farm theme. For this video, I have 2 activities to share with you that work on the skills of letter tracing and shape recognition. Our first activity is a letter tracing in a sensory tub. Now for my sensory tub, I used corn kernels, and then I would give the children letters to trace in the corn kernels and then have them do it over and over again. Now for this one, you can have cards that you have already written the letter on that they can follow, or you can just give them a letter verbally and see if they can make the letter in the corn kernels. Our second activity works on shape recognition. For this activity, I took the picture of a cow and traced shapes on the cow. I then cut out construction paper spots out of black construction paper, and I would have the children match the different shapes to the shape spots on the cow. Thanks for watching my activity ideas in this video. Don't forget to stay tuned for our next video on the farm. See you next time. Bye.